When we give those goods out, we record a disbursement. From the donations menu we open Disburse donation. Just like receiving, the first choice is the store the goods leave from. We issue from the main relief store, where the food is held. Again, only its assigned officer or an administrator can dispatch from it, and its stock will drop by exactly what we give out. Then the beneficiary who receives the goods. The program, or relief, expense account is filled in automatically from company settings. Then the purpose, restrictions, description and remarks. Then the item and quantity. Notice we do not type a value. ZetaFisc works out the cost automatically from our inventory costing method, whether FIFO or weighted average. We record the disbursement. Done. The stock is reduced, and ZetaFisc has posted debit program expense, credit inventory, at cost, so the relief expense is recognized exactly when the goods reach the beneficiary. And because the goods left a specific store, that store now holds exactly what is left, which we'll look at next.